In this video, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8. I'm gonna show you what we can find inside, how the phone looks like, what accessories we get, and let's get right into it. Alright, so let's open the box and let's see what we got. So there we go, we have our phone straight away. I'm gonna take a look at the phone just in a second. Let's put it aside for now. And let's take a look at all the accessories that we get here on this side of the box. So we have this additional paper box here, which contains all accessories, everything that is included with the phone. So we're gonna open it and let's see. So first we have a bunch of papers, of course. I'm actually gonna take everything out of here. So as you can see here, we have a bunch of papers. So we have, for example, the warranty card, we have the quick start guide, and we also have the USB cable that is used, for example, for charging. But in addition to that, we can also find the SIM eject tool, which is used to, for example, insert your SIM card into the phone. So as you can see, that is pretty much all that is included inside the box. Of course, the power adapter is not included. We will not be able to find it inside the box. So now we can take a look at the phone. Let's remove this cover. There we go. It is unfolded. Here, of course, we have our cameras. We can also remove this part as well, of course. The cover of the cover screen. I have chosen this beautiful pink color. And there we go. We have our power button. We have volume buttons. There is a dot over here, which I'm not entirely sure yet what it is used for. This can be either a microphone or like a ventilation hole, air vent hole. Here we have the SIM tray, where we can insert our SIM card. Here at the top we have a couple of dots as well, so I assume one of them is the microphone and the other is the air vent hole. I'm gonna have to check that out. Here we have, of course, our USB-C port. We have speakers and two holes again. And that is pretty much it. So this is how the phone looks like. So leave a like and subscribe.